This is a 1960 Ford Falcon Futura Sprint, priced at $9,500. This vehicle, originating from California, is free of rust and has undergone extensive restoration. It is equipped with a 260 CID V8 engine and a fully rebuilt C4 automatic transmission. The front steering and suspension have been upgraded to a Disc 5 lug system to accommodate the V8 engine. The rear end differential has been replaced with an 8-inch 5-lug from a 1963 Ford Falcon Sprint. The car features a new body and paint, as well as a new interior. Despite over $15,000 being invested into it, the car still requires some finishing touches. The title is clean and in hand. The seller is only interested in serious buyers and is not open to trades. For sale is a 1976 Pontiac Grand Prix J, priced at $9,900. It's in good condition with an odometer reading of 57,150 miles. The car has a clean title and features an automatic transmission system. It's powered by a Pontiac 350 cubic inch V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor. The car runs well and has a comfortable interior, equipped with both air conditioning and heating systems. However, it does require some attention, specifically rust repair and a new paint job. The current owner invites potential buyers to come and test drive the car. Presenting a 1974 Buick Century, available for $9,500. It's in good condition with an odometer reading of 71,451 miles. The car has a clean title and is equipped with an automatic transmission system. It's powered by an 8-cylinder engine that has been recently rebuilt. The car features a new interior, dual flow master exhaust, and new wheels and tires. It is noted for its strong performance. This is a 1964 Buick Wildcat, priced at $7,375. It has 79,000 original miles on the odometer. The car is equipped with an original 401 engine with an aftermarket 4-barrel carburetor. The car runs and rides well, but the motor has a clacking lifter. The body of the car is original, with no repaints, but it does have a few dents and creases. The interior is in great shape, and all lights, including headlights, turn signals, and brake lights, are functioning as they should. The 1965 Chrysler New Yorker, priced at $7,500, is equipped with a 413 big block engine, paired with a 727 automatic transmission. The car features an 8 3/4 rear end with a sure grip differential, often referred to as POSI. This Chrysler New Yorker has been updated with new parts throughout, enhancing its reliability for regular driving. The car comes with its original window sticker and 2 original brochures. The title of the car is clean and registered under the current owner's name. The 1976 Plymouth Fury sedan, priced at $7,800, is a vintage car that has been in Southern California for its entire life. The car, which has been owned by the current owner for several years, is a complete and functional vehicle. It has a 318 engine and has passed California's smog test without any issues. The car has received extensive mechanical upgrades, including enhancements to the radiator, fuel pump, water pump, timing cover, transmission pan, shocks, tires, battery, carburetor, exhaust, brakes, hoses, valve cover gaskets, thermostat, catalytic converter, and alternator. The body of the car is very straight, with no major dings or dents. The paint is in very good condition, except for a few small spots of cracking where attempts were made to fix holes from an old spoiler and a roof dent from a light bar. The doors and trunk have been resealed, and all gauges are functional. However, the heater controls are frozen, and it will need a new speaker tray in the back window. The car has a clean title registered under the current owner's name. This is a 1965 Ford Galaxie 500, priced at $5,000. This 4-door model is equipped with a 352 engine that has been updated with new parts, specifically the carburetor and distributor. The car is operational and drivable. However, it has some rust on the driver's side fender and rear. The car comes with a clean title and has 80,473 miles on the dashboard. It's in a condition that could be a good starting point for restoration. The seller is not open to trades. For sale is a 1960 Mercury Comet, listed for $8,500. This 4-door vehicle is in solid condition with no rust. It features an original 144 straight-six engine, a 2-speed automatic transmission, and even the original muffler. The motor was rebuilt by the current owner, who also replaced all brake hardware, including the master cylinder. Other replacements include a Holley carburetor, front and rear transmission seals, new joints, an aluminum radiator, the battery, and the rubber seals for the front and back glass. Despite having a salvage title due to a DMV error, the car has no frame or body damage. The owner is open to trading for a pre-1975 car or truck. The 1977 Mercury Marcus Brom, available for $7,500. This car has a fresh vinyl top, new carpet, and a new headliner. It is powered by a 460 V8 engine and a rebuilt C6 transmission. The car has new tires, new shocks, and good glass. It comes with a clear title. The owner is not interested in trades. This is a 1967 Mercedes 250S, priced at $10,000. This car has all original parts, with the exception of the carburetor. The original carburetor has been replaced with a new fuel injection system, but the original part will be included with the car. The vehicle has a manual transmission and brand new tires. It requires a paint job and rust repair, but all other components are in good working condition. The current owner, who recently purchased a '66 Mustang and lacks space for two classic cars, is not in a rush to sell. The car will come with brand new door and window seals, a side mirror, a radio, a headliner, and some other parts that have been purchased separately.